In this video, I'll be showing you how to anonymise your questionnaire data so that you can store that data without concerns around data protection issues, and also how to use the GPS data to look at the geographical spread of your interviews. So here we have some questionnaire data that's been downloaded from Kobo Toolbox, and that's household questionnaire done at the doorstep. So we can see that we have GPS information in here. Now, arguably, people could look at that GPS information and track back to find the respondent that gave these answers. So we want to remove this GPS location from these responses so that the responses can be anonymous. But we actually want to use that GPS information as well. So the first thing we're going to do is take a copy of all of this information. So what I've got here is all the GPS information and the name of the interviewer. Okay, so I'm going to take a copy and open a new Excel file, and we're going to paste that in. Now we're going to go back to our original data set, and we're not going to delete the interviewer name, but we are going to delete all of this GPS information. So we delete that. Okay, and now our questionnaire data is properly anonymous. We haven't asked the name of the interviewer, and we don't have the GPS location of their house. But we do have the GPS information saved separately here. So we're just going to tidy this file up a bit, and then we're going to view it on Google My Maps. Now we've got two latitudes here. We don't need both of those, so we're going to delete that. We've got information about altitude and GPS precision. We don't need that either, so we're going to delete that. And we're going to give this a name that we're going to remember. So I'm going to put it into this folder here as GPS data. Save, and yes, I want to replace that file. Okay, so now we're going to go to Google My Maps. So we're going to search for My Maps. Here it is. The first result under the Google search should be the right one. I'm going to make sure again that we're on the right Google account, so I'm going to change to the shared Google account for this particular survey team. And we're going to create a new map. Okay, so we're going to choose this first layer and we're going to import. And this opens this window, and note that you can import all these different file types, one of which is an Excel file. So we're going to select the Excel file that we've just created, which is this GPS data file. Now we have to tell Google My Maps what information to use. So these are the column names from our Excel file. So we're going to use that GPS latitude, and this we have to then select that this is latitude data. We're going to use the GPS longitude, and that is indeed longitude data, and then click continue. And we're going to use our interviewer name to give a title for the place marks, and just click finish. And now we can see the GPS location of all the interviews that were conducted. And if you click on each of, if we open up here, we can click on each of these and we can see the name of the interviewer, Duna, Dimitar, or indeed we can look at them here by clicking on the names. And what's useful about this is that when you're managing a large team of interviewers, you want to make sure you're getting a good spread of interviews across your target area. Okay.